So class 7, this is Chahilari again, and as we continue with our topic money, today we are looking at bills. So bills is our new subtopic in this topic of money, and I believe all of you will find this subtopic very easy for you to tackle. So ensure you have everything, and if you have everything, we are good to go. So when you're talking about bills, everybody, when you're going maybe to the shop or supermarket, after buying some commodities, you'll find out that there are some bills that you need to pay. And right now we're going to calculate how to find your bill while purchasing items in a shop or in the supermarket. So there are some symbols that you must understand, that is each at and for. So when you see this sign here, it means that the price given is for only each item or for one item. So this sign here represents that each item is being sold at that particular price. So for example, if I write 2 rubbers, each at 12 shillings, it means that one rubber was costing 12 shillings. But when we see 4, if I say 4 rubbers for 100 Kenyan shillings, it means that for all those 4 rubbers, I paid 100 shillings. So 4 represents the total cost, while each at represents that the price of each item. So how will these two be very useful while you're calculating bills? Let's go on and we'll see. So the first example here, we are saying Musyoka bought the following items. 3 kilograms of meat, each was at 120. So it means that 1 kg was costing 120. So what about the 3 kg? So we need to multiply. Anytime you see this sign, you multiply. So 3 times 120 is 360. So when I'm calculating my bill, the first amount of money is 360. Another one is 5 kilograms of tomatoes for 400 Kenyan shillings. So this 4 means that for the 5 kgs I paid 400. So I don't need to multiply. I just write 400. There's no problem. Then 4 match boxes at 15. Also this one is the same as this one. It represents the price of each item. So I'll multiply 4 times 15, which is 60. So what is my bill? My bill, after adding everything that I've bought or Musyoka bought, is equivalent to 820. But the question is down there. He gave the shopkeeper 1,000 shilling note. So what was his balance? Balance, you need to subtract. So 1,000 minus your bill, which is 820, will give us that Musyoka's change will be 180 shillings. Very easy. So example number 2, Joanne bought a half kilogram of salt. Each kilogram was 90 kg. So, but she bought only a half kg. So a half, you need to multiply times 90, which will give you 45. Then 1.5 kg of rice at 140 per kg. So this one also means we multiply, but this is a fraction. So 1.5 is the same as 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 times 140, you can multiply in your rough paper. You'll get that by 2 here is 1, by 2 here is 70. So 70 times 3 is to 10. And then two packets of milk at 70. So this one is always challenging many people. So this one here means you're going to multiply, but you'll multiply by what? We are saying one packet is costing 70. So forget about these 2 packets. Two packets or 2 kg packets of milk at 70. So you only need to multiply the 2 that is here, because this price here represents the price of each bottle. So 2 times 70 is 140, and then the last one is 5 kilogram tin of cooking fat for 720. So 4 represents the total cost for the 5 kgs, that is 720, and your bill is Joanne's bill is 1,115. Then down here they're saying she gave the shopkeeper 3 500 shilling notes. So this one also is very important. So 500, there are 3. Remember, 3 500 shilling notes. So you need to multiply 3 times 500 is 1500, or you can even add 500 3 times. That is that is equivalent to 1500. So how much balance did she get? Very easy. Subtract 1500, that is the money that she gave the shopkeeper, then minus the bill or the cost of all these items. If you subtract, you'll get out that the balance is 385. Example 3. Alan went to a shop and bought 4 loaves of bread, each being 50 shillings. So we need to multiply. 4 times 50 is 200. Then 2.5 kilogram sugar, 210. So we need to change it into improper fraction and then we multiply. So 5 over 2 times 10. So it is the same as 10 divided by 2, then you multiply by 5, which will give you 525. If you have a rough paper, you can confirm that. Then 4 bars of soap for 190. So I don't need to multiply. This is the total price for the 4 bars, that is 190. And then a half kilograms of meat for 180. Also this one I don't need to multiply because 4 represent the total. So it is 180. Then the bill that Alan is going to pay is 1095. How much balance did he get if he paid using 2000 shilling note? Very easy. 2000 minus your minus the bill, you'll get out that the balance is 905. So back again to our assignment. As we finish our lesson today I'm going to give you your assignment from topical revision. I know some of you don't have the book, but it has so many questions, so many KCP topical revision questions on the same subtopic. And you're going to do number 62, 64, 65, 67, and 69. And this exercise, because I know some of you don't have the book, you'll find the exercise down there in your WhatsApp group. The moment you watch this video, you'll find out that I have pictures on the same down there. So class 7, wake up, do my work, you send it, I'll be able to respond to your work. Don't be lazy, just do something, and then if you have any problem, feel free to consult the teacher. So do your work, then you WhatsApp it through the number down there. Otherwise, have a good time.